I just got my sample in from Printify. I had ordered myself a sample hat and sample t-shirt, and I just wanted to share it with you here real quick. This is my charter business, Audi East Island Charters. I'll put a link in the description so you can check me out if you're in the Carolinas. But this is the hat. I love the print. This is a screen print on the hat, not embroidery, but I have to say I really like the print. The hat, I don't know, it's a little distressed, so I'm not sure if this is going to be the final thing that I go with, but overall I like the print, which is probably the most important thing about this. But on to the shirt. This is something I've been working on. This is the 910. If you know, you know, but I wanted to bring this back, and this here is on a white tee, but I plan on doing it on a black. You got the small logo on the front for Audi East Island Charters, but the large print on the back, and I'm really hype about how this turned out. So let me know what you think in the comments, but this is definitely coming to the store really soon, and I'm excited. Thanks for watching.